Today we took a much needed break from homestead life and headed to the beach. We got here early because the afternoons have been full of heavy rain.
This is why I love Jamaica. Look at this. Right, I'm putting on my swim costume now and getting the sea. And it's only, what time is it? I'm sure it's about 9:30 and it is so hot.
We wanted to make the most of the sunshine. I haven't walked along the beach barefooted in such a long while. This is exactly what we needed.
The kids are playing Marco Polo over there. I don't know if you can see.
Watching the kids enjoy themselves makes everything worth it.
Good.
My friends prepared brunch and there was enough for everyone. I went off to explore and I could see the kids playing safely in the distance.
How amazing is this? Is what I call my happy place. Being on the beach, the sea. It's just amazing. Absolutely. Absolutely amazing. I'm so happy.
There's something about Jamaica that puts a smile on your face.
Come and join me in Jamaica.